What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make simple yet delicious chicken cutlet which can be made within 30 minutes. Okay, it's juicy, it's loaded with flavor, it's very simple to make, kids love it. So without further ado, let's get started. So to begin with, I've boiled 500 grams of boneless chicken, and here as you can see one medium sized potato which I've cut in cubes. Now you can boil the chicken in a normal vessel as well, but I like to pressure cook it because within 3 whistles the chicken gets cooked perfectly. And while the chicken and the potato is getting cooked or boiled, you can start cutting your ingredients. So once we are done chopping the onions and the vegetable, in a pan I've heated around a tablespoon of oil just to saute the onion and the vegetable. So here goes in a pinch of cumin seed. Okay, not too much. Once the cumin seeds starts crackling, I will add in the medium sized onion finely chopped, and I'll sprinkle salt, now we need to fry this onion until it turns soft and slightly brown. Let this onion fry well, okay, until it gets brown. Now here as you can see, I've taken 3 garlic cloves and 1 small size of ginger. It's not even an inch. Okay, now I've smashed it. Okay, now you can make use of ginger garlic paste as well. Now just make sure that you don't use too much of garlic. The garlic should not overpower in your cutlet, so that's the main thing. So I'm frying the ginger garlic with the onions just to get rid of the raw taste of the garlic. Now as you can see, the onions have turned brown and the garlic smell also has reduced. When you add the garlic, you get a strong flavor of that garlic. So we just need to get rid of that, and as you can see, the onions have turned slight brown. At this stage, I will add in carrot. So here goes in the carrot. So here I just like to go with carrot. Now just so that the onions don't turn brown, I'll add in water here. Now the reason why I added water is because I don't want the onions to turn brown and caramelize, but here the idea is to cook this carrot. Okay, the carrot has to get soft, and that's the reason I added water. Now keep adding water little by little and let it cook until the carrots get soft. And here I'm just adding in 1 green chili. Now I've deseeded the green chili. If you want it spicy, you can keep the seeds. So I've added the chili to give a nice herby flavor. Okay, just mix it well. Now here at this stage, I'll add in a little bit of cumin powder and a little bit of garam masala powder. Now spices are of your choice. Whatever spices you need, you can add, okay, because that adds up to the flavor of the cutlet. Now in my case, I am not adding in chili powder, I am not adding in coriander powder, just cumin powder and garam masala powder. That's it. This will just flavorize your cutlet. Alright, now at this stage, now since I don't have coriander leaves, so I'm adding in dried oregano just to add a little herb. Okay, Just mix it well. At this stage you can check for your salt. The salt is proper. Okay, that's it. Now let's check the carrot. The carrot is soft. Okay, this carrot is cooked well. Now we'll turn off the flame. Now I'll let it cool down while I shred the chicken. So here's the boiled chicken. So this is 500 grams, and here is the boiled potato. This is medium sized boiled potato. We have to shred the chicken, and I will smash this potato, and then we'll mix all this together. Okay, so I've shredded all the chicken. Now goes in the smashed potato. So the reason why I add potato is to bind all this together. Okay, so potato helps in binding it, and here goes in the backbone of this recipe. Okay, now we'll mix all this together. So the reason why I added less salt while frying the onions is because the potato and the chicken was boiled in salt. So here at this stage, if you want, you can check the flavor, check for all the spices. If you need to add any spice, you can go ahead and add it. Can you see this? If you want to form a patty, you can easily form it. See this? See this? It's just staying. Sprinkle in some spring onion. Okay, and mix it well. Okay, now we are ready to form the patty, and after that we will start frying it. Now to fry we will need breadcrumbs, and I will not use egg wash. Okay, I will use corn flour for that. I'll show you how to do. So first let's form the patty. Okay. Okay, this is what we will need to dip the cutlet in. So this will give a nice crunchy texture. Okay, so now the pan is hot, the oil is hot. Now we'll start frying. So just dip it in the corn flour, then goes in the breadcrumbs, nicely coated. Alright, so our cutlet is ready to fry, and here goes in. So it's that simple to make this cutlet. Alright, so the cutlet is done. It's time for us to remove. As you can see, it's nice and firm. And just remove it carefully. See this. So if you turn it both the sides, it's perfectly done. So that's it, a simple and delicious chicken cutlet is ready, and now it's time for me to taste it. Crunchy from out and soft, juicy from inside. You can also add in cheese. So the ingredients that I've added makes this chicken cutlet less spicy, a little bit on a sweeter side because of the onion and the carrot. So that's the reason I drizzled some black pepper and a little bit of garam masala. So you can add in the spice as per your choice. But try this chicken cutlet at home. It is very easy, it is very simple, and it's very delicious. So till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. I can't hold this. Bye bye.